Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the unboxing for GlitzGlamBox for the month of October. It is a $15 month subscription, and this is what it comes looking like. And if you've looked at my title, you know that there's a giveaway with this too. I'll tell you more about that after we unbox this. Okay, so of course, October box, our bag. You pull out the card. Here is what the theme looks like for the month of October. And of course on the back, the items, the price, and a little bit information about it as well. Alright, so when you pull out the items from it, it always comes packaged nicely like this. There you go. Okay, the first thing we got here, this is cosmetic loose glitter for eyes, lips, and nails. Let's see what it says here. Sugar Skull Glitter retails for $6.99. Says Glitz Glam Fan Fave, our signature loose cosmetic glitter in a reusable sugar skull pod. Okay, so they always have glitter in their bags, and they always come in cute little containers. So this is what this month's container looks like up close. Now let's see what color this is. Ooh, okay, so this is a really fine powder. You can see that? You can see it in the lid. That is really pretty. I'm really excited. This is definitely something I'm going to be using a lot of, but you guys know that already because I'm glitter obsessed. Alright, the next thing we have here is Never Basic Lashes, and this retails for $12. It says Never Basic Star Lashes, the perfect finishing touch to a drop dead gorgeous look, reusable up to 20 times. So let me pull it out so you can see what they look like. Those are actually really pretty. I do like those. You guys know I pretty much use, so you guys know that I pretty much only use lashes for my creative collab looks and if I'm going to something special, and because of COVID, nobody's really doing much of anything special right now. So right now it is pretty much just for my creative collab looks. Alright, so the next item we have here is You Can Be, is that right? Yeah, You Can Be Luxury Style Unique Queen Matte Lipstick. This is the box. It says it retails for $10. It's a creamy nude, and there are variations. There, let's see the variation I got. This is number 5, smoked salmon. So let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, so that is what things looking like. Really pretty. And of course, I am swatching this because I am going to use it. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so there's the lid. It's not liquid lipstick, it is a lipstick. And see that? It is a very pretty nude color. And that is also a color I will definitely wear. And let's see it swatched. That is really pretty. Felt really creamy to swatch, so I would imagine that it would wear very well as well. Okay, last item in the bag is this right here. This is the Goth brush set, and this retails for $20. It's a 10-piece eye brush set. Get ready to create countless looks with this brush arsenal. So let's open it up and see the brushes. Okay, so I'm actually super excited about these brushes because these tend to have smaller ones than I'm used to seeing. I have a very small eyelid space and these are really small. I'm really excited about this one right here. because I have water activated eyeliners and stuff that this would be good with. That fine tip. So really excited about that. I am definitely gonna be using this pretty soon. Let me see how the other ones feel real quick. Okay, here's a few out already. And they actually feel really nice. So for a $20 set, that's roughly $2 a brush because there is 10 in here. I think that's a really good price and they're super cute and I am definitely going to be using those. For this month's Glitz Glam for October, we got the little glitter skull, the lashes, the lipstick, and the brushes. So this is, I would say, about $50 worth of product right here. So I think that is pretty good and I am very happy with mine. And I did get a couple of add-ons. The first thing I got here was the X&O Cosmetics Glitterholic because y'all know me and glitter. Let's go ahead and look at it. This is what the lovely palette looks like. And I don't know if I really want to swatch them, but I will take that glitter right there. You see that? Maybe another one. Let's go with the super pink one right here. And maybe let's do green. All right, so let's see those three colors on. And those are some of the glitters. Very, very happy about that. Of course I'm happy about that because it's glitter. So I also got another add-on palette. And this is the limited edition Autumn Nights by Yes Glitter. And this one looks like this right here. Really, really pretty, and I am going to swatch this one for you. The other was just glitter, so I didn't really see much of a need to swatch every one of them, but I will this one. Okay, these colors are freaking amazing. Look at that. They swatched so good. I'm thinking I might have to do a Thanksgiving look with that. What do you guys think? Do you think I should do a Thanksgiving look with that? Maybe add the glitter palette. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and get into the giveaway. The giveaway itself is sponsored by GlitzGlam. Thank you, GlitzGlam, for allowing me to do this giveaway. I greatly appreciate it. And I know my subscribers do it as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. It came into this, with this right here. And I'm not gonna open it. I am gonna let it stay a mystery to you guys. This is what it is packaged like. I'm gonna stick it back into that bag. I'm gonna write you a little card and I might stick something else in it too. But this is what you will win. And what I will tell you, because there is quite a bit more in there than the rest here, you have an eyeshadow palette. You have a metallic liner. I'm not telling you the colors because that's the mystery. A liquid lipstick. And, oh, I guess there is a diamond liner. Fancy. And some lashes. So you get 5 items in there. I have no idea what they are other than that. And I'm not opening it up, so it's going to be a mystery for you and for me both. If you are interested in entering this giveaway, I am going to have the information below on how to enter. There will be a link. Make sure you follow the link because it will have additional ways you can enter or add bonus entries, basically. Yeah. But the main thing you need to do, like, subscribe, leave a comment below telling your favorite item in my unboxing today, and the first part of your email address. And remember, follow that link, fill out the information, because that's where it's gonna provide me with your whole email address to contact you if you win. So that is it of this video. I hope you liked everything. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.